Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in slightly negative MACD and we have yet to test the 200 moving average, this green line, at the price of $52.81. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we also are remaining in slightly positive MACD. As we extend out once more onto the daily chart, we remain in slightly positive MACD, and for now we're resting right along the 18 moving average, this purple line. As for the trade idea of the week, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $50.41, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $54.93, and my stop loss is at $48.78. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $56.01, and that is this line here. My sell target is at $52.13, and my stop loss is at $57.14. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 62% chance for gold miners to climb between 0 to 5.3%, and as for downside, we have a 31% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 5.3%, and further extreme case to the downside, an 8% chance to fall between negative 5.3% to negative 10.5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.